Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right, so before we start with today's discussion, please allow me to mention about an offer that will reduce your capital requirements for trading various segments like the NSE futures and the MCX futures. Okay, talking about the NSE futures, you can trade contracts like Nifty, Bank Nifty, SGX Nifty, etc. with just 6,000 rupees for one lot, whereas in MCX you can trade one lot of crude oil, copper, natural gas, etc. for just 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Okay, for gold and silver, it will cost you around 10,000 rupees per lot. And not only this, you will be happily surprised when you get to know the other features that are being offered. I can't give you all the details here as there are many, but I will surely share all the details post you get in touch with me. In today's scenario, if you want to trade one lot of crude oil, you need to have a minimum of 1.6 lakhs as your capital, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Similarly, for Nifty, for just one lot, you need to have at least 1 lakh as your capital. Now replace 1.6 lakhs with 4,000 to 6,000 rupees and 1 lakh with 6,000 rupees. It does make a lot of difference to a retail trader like you and me, right? So that's the help I want to extend or offer. And if you are interested, then you can get in touch with me on the details that are being shown on the screen and we can take it forward. All right, so today we are diving deep into the world of day trading, and I have got some valuable insights to share with you on a topic that is crucial for every trader out there. Okay, and that very thing is controlling losses. Okay, we all know that day trading comes with its fair share of risks, but by implementing the right strategies we can minimize those losses and boost or amplify our chances of executing a winning trade. Okay, so if you are ready to take your trading game to the next level, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, it's very important to understand the importance of controlling losses. Okay, so before you actually jump into the strategies and stuff like that, let's talk about why controlling losses is absolutely essential in day trading. Losses are inevitable, okay, in the trading world, and that's a fact, but they don't have to spell disaster for your account. By learning how to manage and control losses, you are not only protecting your capital, but also preserving your emotional well being. Okay, remember, staying in the game is the key to a long term success. Yeah, and protecting your capital is the first and the foremost duty of every day trader. And this very thing will also take care of your emotions that you display when you trade live. Okay, so that is point number one. Now, moving on to the next perspective, setting stop loss orders. Okay, one of the most effective tools in a day trader's arsenal is the stop loss order. Now, this feature allows you to predetermine the maximum loss you are willing to take in a particular trade. Okay, in times of a market volatility, having a well placed stop loss can prevent a small loss from turning into a catastrophic one. Okay, and I'm sure this is not something that is new to you. I have mentioned this in many of my YouTube videos. So the thing is, getting influenced by seeing a video and deciding to do a thing at that very moment is very different than what you decide to do when you are facing a loss in the live market. I hope you're getting the point. Okay. So, what I mean to say here is getting influenced and getting pumped up is not important. What's important is to define a rule and follow it religiously, even when you are seeing a loss in your account when you're trading live. Yeah. Now, next, Once again, not new to anyone, but there are a lot of confusions around this very topic, and that is risk management, or maybe you can call it as risk management strategies. Okay, now let's talk about the risk management strategies that can help you control losses over the long run. Okay, now basically, the risk management strategy is divided into three bigger perspectives. Okay, three big topics. One is risk and reward ratio. That is the first one. The second one is position sizing, and the third one is diversification. Okay, let's talk about one after the other. Okay, now first, risk to reward ratio. Now, this is something which is actually overhyped. Okay, risk to reward ratio is something that works in a few segments, and it is also something that does not work in many of the segments. Let's say, for example, if you are a trader who is trading in equity cash segment, in that segment, you can go for a risk and reward ratio. Also, if you are trading Nifty or maybe Bank Nifty, in those segments also you can go for a risk reward ratio. But remember, as many of the other guys say, aim for 1 is to 3 ratio, 1 is to 5 ratio, 1 is to 10 ratio. Don't fall for those. Okay, if you are somebody who is looking out to perform consistently in the market, if you are somebody who wants to earn the money consistently in the market, make sure to aim for 1 is to 1 ratio, or max to max 1 is to 2 ratio. Don't aim for more than that. Okay, 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 is more than sufficient for you to bring you to the league of successful traders. Remember that. Okay, moving on to the second one, that is position sizing. Again, position sizing is something that does not work on every market. Let's say, for example, in crude oil trading. In crude oil trading, there is no scope of position sizing. Also, there is no scope of risk and reward ratio, the first point that we discussed about, right? But if we talk about the equity market, okay, the equity cash market, if you are a trader who is trading in equity cash market, then you can very well follow position sizing, and it works beautifully in that particular segment. Okay, moving on to the third one, that is diversification. This is something which has to be taken up by the swing traders, or for the positional traders, the traders who place their positions for a long, long time. Okay, you can say we are talking about the investment stuffs. Okay, so diversification is something which holds good for them. Okay, and also it holds good for intraday traders who are into the equity cash trading. So what happens in equity cash trading? In equity cash, we trade the FNO stocks. I believe we have around 150 to 140 FNO stocks, right? So, and if you have a capital of maybe 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees, make sure to divide it into 2 to 3 parts and trade 3 to 4 scripts. Okay, don't put, let's say, for example, if you have 50,000 as a capital, don't put those entire 50,000 in a single trade. Okay, make sure you divide it into 2 parts or maybe 3 parts, and then trade 3 different scripts. Okay, so you're not taking a risk on a single trade. You are diversifying your risk. Okay, that is all about diversification. Okay, so these are some of the risk management strategies that you might follow if you want to be a successful and a profitable trader. Okay, now when finally, moving on to the last one, okay, that would be continuous learning. Okay, now everyone talks about continuous learning. Everyone talks about learning new things. Everyone talks about how to learn from your mistakes and all those stuffs. Well, all those stuffs are well and good, but what exactly is continuous learning? Okay, if we talk to a new trader, a person who is very new to trading, if we start talking about continuous learning, he might get confused. Okay, now when I say continuous learning, I don't mean that if you have a strategy and if it does not work for you for a couple of days, then you should learn a new thing and prepare a new strategy and then start trading using it. No, this is not the way you should be finalizing things. Remember, you are a trader. Consistency is your god. Okay, see, even before you finalize a particular strategy to be used in the live market, you should be bashing it in all the possible directions to know what is working and what is not working. And how do you do it? You do it by rigorously backtesting that particular strategy. So if you see things for from my perspective, if I talk about things from my perspective, changing or jumping from one strategy to other is not an option. Okay, once you have a strategy, you have it and you have to use it. But if the strategy is not working, then you need to check what exactly went wrong from your side and not from the strategy side. Okay, I mean, this is something that I'm saying from my experience. If a strategy is strong enough, it will make money for you for maybe 16 to 17 sessions out of the 20 sessions that we have in a month. Okay, and it might fail continuously for the rest of the 3 to 4 sessions. And I would say it is bound to fail because no strategy is loss proof. Okay, so I hope you're getting the point. Continuous learning means the learning from the mistakes that you are doing and not the strategy. Okay, so make sure that you keep learning from the mistakes that you are doing by following the strategy that you have finalized. Not, I'm not talking about jumping from one strategy to another strategy. I hope the things are clear here. Okay, so that is all about continuous learnings. So there you have it. Okay, some pointers to avoid losses in day trading. Remember, it's all about discipline, it's all about risk management and maintaining a healthy mindset. You need to have a trader's mindset. You need to accept the losses. If you're not able to accept the losses, you need to learn how to accept losses. Okay, by implementing these strategies and staying committed to your trading rules, you are surely setting yourself up for success in the tough but exciting world of day trading. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. And for the guys who have not watched my previous video, I have put in the video card on the top right corner of the video the eye symbol that you see there. You can click on it and watch my previous video. And as always, we request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, please do not miss the ending of the video, as you will get some more information about HYIT that might be helpful to you in some way or the other. And please feel free to ask your questions or queries, if any, in the comment section, and I will surely reply back to them. And also, please do not forget to like this video if you liked it. Okay, so that's all from my end, and I will see you all later. Hope you all will stick back. Happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.